morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. I'm fixing brunch. It's about 10 o'clock. I have no makeup on. Thank you very much. Now, I'm fixing us poached eggs. And I think a lot of people are intimidated by poached eggs. They're not really hard to make. And actually, I think if you're, if you follow this example, you probably shouldn't have a lot of problem making a successful poached egg. So I'm going to bring you down to my little stovetop here, and I've got some. I'll show you what I've got, and then I'll come back and tell you what I'm doing with it. I'll make sure I can see what I'm doing here. All right, this is just a pot of. There we go. This is a fry pan. And it's got about 2 inches of water in it. And right now it's just plain water. All I'm doing is getting it up to a slight boil. And I have our eggs in small bowls. I've cracked them. And there's 3 of them. 2 is for the director and 1 is for me. And so once I have this water just about to a boil, I will bring you back and show you what I'm going to do with it. All right, we have got this almost to a rolling boil. And I've just got some good old distilled white vinegar, and I'm going to put a good little glug in there, maybe 1/4 cup. And I'm going to stir it around so it's dispersed. And it will not make your eggs taste vinegary, but this is what's going to help keep that egg in place as it cooks. And I'm going to very gently put that bowl almost in the water, and I'm going to drop the egg in, like so. And I'm going to drop the other one in. Right? And the third one. There we are. And then what I'm going to do is just kind of help that yolk and white kind of find its own little place there. Yeah, okay, that's good. Now I'm going to turn my heat down because I don't want it to really boil hard. Just want it to do a slow simmer. And I like to, if the egg yolk is floating too high up, I like to kind of give it just a little baste, like so. And now see, I like my eggs pretty well done. So I will find 1 egg in here that I say, okay, that's the one that's going to be mine. And I will cook it a little longer. And you want to make sure they're not sticking on the bottom. Now see, that one's sticking a little bit. I'm going to let it sit there for a moment. And it will release itself. Okay. All right. There is the eggs. I'm going to let them cook. And again, I don't want that water to boil. I want it to just kind of simmer slowly. And once these are almost done and we are ready to have breakfast, I will bring you back. I'm going to serve it on a slice of sourdough, and we're going to have some grapes. And this is going to be about a 2-point breakfast because the toast we are using is 2 points a slice. So we'll be back. Okay, my eggs are done, and I'm going to lift them out like so, and this is a slotted spoon. You know, Martha Stewart has a trick that you use an old piece of toast or old piece of bread to sop up that, but I don't have an old piece of bread. So I'm going to put it here on my toast, like so, and look at the other 2. This is the director's. And again, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to blot this. Let's get kind of some of the excess off. That is hot. It's going to be good. And the last one here. Oh, that fan. I love this burner, but the fan does make some noise, but it helps me cook a little more easily on camera. So that's blotted, and I'm going to put it down on that toast. And what we have here is we have poached eggs and some grapes. Each slice of bread is 2 points. Is that correct, Director? 1 point.
2 points.
2 points, okay. So we're going to go ahead and have this delicious breakfast. And I'm looking forward to it because I'm hungry. Are you ready to eat?
I am.
Thanks a lot for
I'm always
watching.
ready.
He's ready to eat. I hope you'll give poached eggs a try because as you see, it's not that hard and it's certainly not intimidating and it tastes really good. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you later.